Welcome to the program on Certified Logistic Expert. If you are looking for a world-class program which is instructed by a world-renowned trainer and also a program which covers a total perspective of logistic and supply chain, then you are at the right place. Here we are going to see how logistic is going to make a greater impact for supply chain performance. So you will also see other functions of supply chain which supports the logistic and how logistic supports the other functions so that the overall performance of logistic is getting improved. In the current scenario, the logistic is playing a greater role in the performance of supply chain, and you may be observing in terms of e-commerce platform, the power is shifted from manufacturing to retail sector. They are performing based on strength in logistics and distribution. You take an example of Amazon or Walmart. Their strength lies in the logistic. Of course, logistic is not only a transportation and distribution. It involves many more aspects of supply chain management. In fact, this is what we are going to cover in our program. This program will help you if you are looking for entry in corporate logistics or preparing for any global certification program in logistics. The topics covered are briefly like this. One, we are going to see overall management about supply chain end to end. Second is a global dimension of a supply chain. And now we are living in a global village. Everything is interconnected and it is shrinking. So how logistic can perform a better role in such a small village? Role of logistic in the supply chain, how logistic can enhance the performance of the supply chain, distribution and omni-channel network, how the product will reach the customer once it is ready from the manufacturing plant, what are the different channels of distribution. We are also going to see on sourcing of material and service, so some knowledge on purchasing, procurement and sourcing aspects of any service or products. We are also going to peep into producing these goods, how manufacturing takes place, what are different aspects of conversion of a raw material to finished products, and how logistic can support in each of those activities. We are also going to see demand management in terms of order management and various forecasting tools, how the customer service is defined and managed. One of the important aspect in supply chain is inventory, which many of the other institute ignore. For logistic professional, without inventory, supply chain is not complete. So you have to understand the basics of inventory management. Then comes the distribution, how the product is going to reach to the final point of consumption, what are the different modes of transportation available, what are the costing related, when you can use what type of modes. Then we are also going to see in terms of what are the performance measurement metrics in terms of finance angle or logistic angle, because what you measure then only you are going to improve. Now corporates are very much specific on this angle. You should know what are the metrics and how you are going to measure them and what are the global benchmark. How IT tools is going to support the logistic function is also important. Many tools are available like WMS, TMS, YMS and global tracking of consignment, how this tracking is possible on a real time. We are also going to see on strategic management of logistics. On the long term, what holds for logistic professionals as well as for the profession. Okay, apart from these core topic, we are also going to see many other topics. If you are preparing for any global certification program, better reach to our executive who will be able to provide additional information. We also have mock test related to this global certification. We also guide and you can also have one-to-one meeting with me for exam preparation and how successfully to clear these exams. Thanks for watching. Bye.